Hey YouTube family, so I just want to share with you this new ginger jar that I purchased. That's the price, $24.99. Ain't that pretty? This thing is gorgeous. So pretty. And that's who it's by. Modernist Home Collection. Like I said, $24. That's the handle. So I think I'm gonna use it. I may use it like this, or I may use it as a base right now. I'm not for sure if I'm gonna use it for my kitchen. I purchased it for the kitchen, but I'm not for sure if I'm going to use it in the kitchen. I may, and I may not. It would be nice to find a small one like this. I purchased some more white flowers. I did. And these were $14.99. I didn't even realize they went up $2 because I buy these foam flowers and they usually $12.99. But yeah, so I purchased those, and I shared with y'all in the previous video my my haul, and I had purchased those flower pots, and they were made just kind of like this. This was the color of them. And so I went to Homegoods here in Saginaw, and I saw this color, and so I went and exchanged those for this color. So I'll be styling these in the next day or two. So cute. And okay, so this is where I put the flowers at, the roses that I just showed you, the foam ones. Yeah, put it in there because I already had some in here, and I had a fern in the smaller one. So it's like, no, I'm doing my white and gold. I'm gonna do white. So yeah, I think that's pretty. Better look. What y'all think? How y'all think this looks sitting here? Now just imagine just another ginger jar just like that on this side, or just, you know, another pretty one, you know, even if it's not exactly like this on this side, because I don't want to take my wine rack off the counter. I like it. Okay, I don't know, y'all let me know. See, it's getting a little loud. Kids just got out of school, so hey YouTube family. So listen, I'm out here in my backyard, and this is what I come home to. I guess the fire pit that I purchased to replace this one, I guess it won't be being used. Gonna build his own fire pit. So, can't wait to see what it looks like. And then I have these pads right here, these little pavers, and but they need to be sprayed off anyways. But these little pavers, I would have loved to have concrete or something all around this, or some kind of paver around for the chairs to actually have to go on, so you don't have to move them all the time when it's time to cut the grass and stuff like that. Okay, I'll share with you the finished product when it's done.
Take everything now. Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down. Putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye. Lock the door for 3, 2, 1. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his